Today I want to talk to you about the TAPiTAG Dynamic Profile. How you log into your profile is fairly simple. Tap or scan your card. Your profile will load up. There's a little login icon in the top right hand corner. You'll be able to tap that and just fill in your login details. Once you've logged in, you will come to a page like this. This is the back end of your profile where you can customize profile details, create icons, edit review stuff, change the icon order, your profile bio, add a logo. There's lots of different features that you can go in and play around with. Today I'm talking about the dynamic profile. This is our new profile. It's our latest profile packed full of features and benefits. Once you switch it on, you can click Customize Profile and it will bring you to a page that allows you to make changes on the fly. So on my profile, I've got a floating black background. I've got my banner in there as well with my logo, profile picture, name, title, bio. I've got all my contact details, socials, websites. Somebody can book a meeting with me. I've custom icons. I've got my YouTube videos, photo gallery, and a link to our website then as well. All of these can be moved up or down, toggled on or off. So as an example, if I want exchange contact to be the first thing that people see, I'm just going to grab the three buttons, I'm going to move it up. And exchange contact is now in first place. So when somebody sees my profile, they can go and exchange contact. That is updated on your profile straight away. So if you're to close the page, straight off the bat, your profile is updated. So I just want to move that back up. To change anything on your profile in terms of colorways, fonts, what you can do is click Browse Theme Options. You can go in here. So I've got a gradient background that is black, and then my color, my text is white. If you want to change the floating background up, you can do that. If you want to change the font family, then you can do that. There's lots of different fonts that you can go and choose from. If we pick Dancing Script just as an example to give you an idea, click Apply Changes. You can see the font is updated straight away. Click Save. That's very important when you make a change like font or colorways to update your profile. So we'll just go back, and what I'll do is change it back then to, let's go to Montserrat, apply, and we go save as an example. So that's it, my profile saved with the Montserrat font. If you want to come down and create some custom icons, you can just click the plus button, create your custom icon there, click save, and straight away you've got an icon that can be a PDF, it could be a web link, and pretty much anything that you want to share with potential clients. YouTube videos, same thing. If you want to go and add a YouTube video to your profile, just get the link, pop it in, click add. Photo gallery, all you got to do is click the plus button, upload your photos, and I'll be added into your photo gallery then too. And then with your website, you can customize the artwork that goes in there and the text. Everything on the profile is customizable. So as an example, if you want to rename Connect With Me, just type in. You can change it whatever you want. Just tap the text and you're able to go in, update the text. It's very important with the exchange contact button. So you can toggle on and off different areas or different fields that you want people to fill in. Or if you click edit labels, you can go in and change the language, change what you're requesting. So where did we meet could be what event did we meet at, and so forth. If you look at exchange contact as well, you can have that in any different language. Save my contact card, different language then as well. And the policy text is the same. So fully customizable. Everything on this is customizable. If you want to change the details that you share in terms of your contact details, socials, websites, just hit go back, click profile details, and you're able to go in there and make an update to any of the details that you're changing. Your connections piece is if you've made a new connection through Connect With Me or Exchange Contact, connections, you can click that and see the full list of all of your contacts that you've made. You can also download your QR code. If you get a new TAPiTAG product, let's say like a new card or a mini card, whatever it might be, you can click add a new TAPiTAG product, and you can scan the QR code off that new product to add it to your profile. There's lots of different features, lots of different benefits in here that you get with your TAPiTAG. But that's just, again, giving you a quick overview of how quick it is to go in, make a change on your profile, and having it looking amazing every time you go out to network. So it's as easy and as simple as that. So get yours today, tapitag.co. If you have any questions, please feel free to give us a shout. Thank you.